In the age of artificial intelligence, YouTube monetization has taken a thrilling turn. Imagine transforming your channel into a goldmine, all thanks to the new YouTube rules. It's not magic, it's strategy. First, create content that's AI-friendly. Use tools like TubeBuddy or VidIQ to optimize SEO. The more relevant your video to the viewer's search, the higher the chance to attract and retain subscribers. Second, engage. Respond to comments, ask for likes, shares, and subscribe. Engagement is a key factor that YouTube's AI uses to rank videos. Third, consistency is key. Regular uploads keep your channel fresh in the minds of the AI and your audience. Lastly, leverage the power of collaborations. By working with other YouTubers, you increase your visibility and reach. Remember, the AI is watching. It rewards those who play by the rules. So keep creating, keep engaging, and watch your subscriber count soar. Before we wrap up, hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for more insights on leveraging AI for YouTube's success. This is your time to shine. Make every second count.